What is what is up, everybody? Crypto Hedge here with a quick live stream. Hold on one moment. I have to load in the browser. Did you guys see that pump with Vertcoin? Holy crap, that's crazy. That's crazy. Where did that come from? What's up, everybody in the chat box? So we'll look into Vert right now and see if that's a selling point. But we're gonna check out a cup and handle that I've been saying is gonna form as well, and we'll talk about Litecoin and Bitcoin real quick. And there's news out right now. There's news. What is it? Let me think. I'm losing my mind. Hold on. There's news out about China banning exchanges from leaving China. The exchanges that are heavily traded on. But that's old news. And I tweeted about it, and someone tweeted it's old news, and I forgot that I had already shared that prior from a different media outlet. So he was right. So I deleted that tweet. That's old news. I think we have ended the bear market. I still think that people are saying it's going down and whatnot. I think it's a bear trap still. That's what I think. I'm gonna pop in the browser right now, so give me a minute. That's so funny. Vertcoin pumped up to $1.11. Man. See, I'm a hodler, so I wouldn't buy the top like that. I would probably sell it and swing, but I wouldn't even swing it because I think it's gonna keep going up. I don't think it's done yet. That's just me though. I don't think it's done yet. But I think it's gonna act like a pump. Anything that goes up that fast has to come down. It's following a precise uptrend line. So let's go to let's look at it right here. I think that's it. Yep, there it is. Perfect. What's up, everybody? Hope you all are doing fantastic. It's been a great day for me. I got a lot of sleep. So I'm like the happiest person ever. I mean, I love when I get sleep. I'm just like, I'm so much more friendlier. Hold on one second, guys. Yeah, I'm just relaxing. I'm just gonna leave. I'm not gonna put the chat box inside of the live stream. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Just because. There we go. No camera today because I don't even have a shirt on right now. So, but I came on my computer. I was like, holy crap, Vertcoin's up to the moon. Let's go check out Litecoin. So this is OKCoin, which is a Chinese LTC pair. Looks like it is. This is the 12-hour chart, and I still think that the 12-hour chart is showing that the RSI indicator. Hold on. The RSI indicator is down. It's bullish. We've got a cross here. This is in the green. I think this is going to continue to be in the green for the Chinese yen pair. Order book is even. Everything's looking pretty solid right now. Bollinger Bands. This one's falling. When we get to the 6-hour, it's a little bit different. Bollinger Bands are tight here. I think we're confirmed with more upward movement fairly soon. That's what I'm looking at. I didn't sell. I don't have weak hands. Number one, I don't have weak hands, and I'm not emotional. And I think a lot of people are emotional when they trade. I don't know if they're trading money they can't afford to lose, or they're not really sure what they're doing. I'm not technically sure. But I'm sitting on my hands right now. So I'm not selling. I'm sitting on my hands. I think that the lowest we can still go is $50. Now on the one day, I think that we could drop down to 48 and then pop right back up and finish the candlestick above 50 or at 50. What's up? I'm gonna check out the chat box. You still haven't slept for 34 hours? Wow, Rick, that's crazy. You got Vertcoin yesterday? Awesome. Yeah, no, we'll pull up the candles. Let's pull up the cup and handle. Let's pull up the cup and handle real quick. I don't even know if I have it on here. I think so. That's not it. This is what you call unorganization. It's terrible. And this is like not even my actual Coinigy. Yeah, so I can't find it. I can't find it. We'll just go to Vertcoin then. I had a cup and handle. I must have not have saved it. Yeah, I'm the Vertcoin YouTuber. Right? That's what I try to be. I like Vertcoin. So let's get to Vert. Let's zoom out. This is the 1 day. Look at that. That's just amazing. Parabolic. Let's go to the 1 hour. We'll go look at the 4 hour too. I want to look at Bitcoin real quick, and then we'll see. Hold on. Actually, no. We'll just go back to. We'll do Vertcoin first. Stay on topic. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Slamming. It's like I'm telling you. I think it's gonna make a cup and handle. I think that it can make a cup and handle. Like, gosh, come on, man. This screen is slowed. Alright. So, let's pull out the paintbrush. I think we're looking at... I don't think it's going to go down that far, so that's bad. I need to delete that. Because we have a resistance here. That's exactly where we are right now. We pumped up. That was a really heavy pump, though. So if we slam through that, God knows where we're going. God knows where we're going, man. Not me. I think we would be approaching a new all-time high in the end, at least. Just from this price action. I mean, this is incredible. Mini crash sale for Bitcoin. Let's go check it out. Yeah, it's 38.53 right now. The lowest I think that it could go is I think yesterday when I was telling you guys, I don't remember what the number was. I think it was 37.50 is the lowest I think it can go, and that's the lowest, guys. Like, that would be the it. But yeah, I've been following this precisely. And what I'm looking at right now is... So Vertcoin's looking good. We don't even have to talk about Vertcoin. I have my stash that I'm holding, and I'm happy. Yeah, we could be forming a cup and handle, and then, I mean, we're really past any resistance that takes us from leaving this resistance right here. You guys, this is amazing. It's good stuff. I'd buy a dip, though, if I was going to get in for a long. And then Decred has been doing fantastic. I announced to you guys yesterday that I'm a long-term hodler of Decred. It is on my long-term hodl. I picked some up the other day and like a week ago. For the first time, I got my Decred at like 25. Haven't swung it. It's a long-term, but if I want to get into swinging it, I will. Like I do the primary coins. Yeah, Bitcoin could bounce from the 3850, 3800 range. Absolutely. Absolutely could bounce. Look at this. Decred's going parabolic. To the moon, man. Look at Decred. That is just so solid. That is a solid buy. It's not even pumped up yet. DCR. These are the coins that matter, guys, right now. Decred, Vertcoin, and Litecoin. Those are the coins that matter. Look at Decred. The green. I would just buy the dip. I'd buy the dip for Vertcoin. You're gonna see a dip. You're gonna see a dip, guys. Well, we're looking at Decred right now. I'll go back to Vertcoin in a second. But look at Decred. I mean, Decred is just, it's blowing my mind. Decred and Vertcoin. What are those coins? Those coins are SegWit coins. What did I say from the beginning, like, what, a month ago? Buy the SegWit coins. I've been tweeting about it. I've been telling you guys, buy the SegWit coins. Segregated witness is going to change the game. It's all about that SegWit. Litecoin, SegWit. Decred, SegWit. Vertcoin, SegWit. To the moon. You guys are going to see highs that you've never seen before, not eventually, but soon, with these SegWit coins. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind, my friends. Because I'm excited. I'm excited. I like, this is like what I live for, is catching something before it hits the hype. You know what I'm saying? That is just what I live for. Before anyone else is in, I want to be in because I know the potential. We know the potential. Everyone that's viewing, we're all in this together. Am I gonna swing some Vert? No, I have it all in cold storage. I don't have any swing bags for Vertcoin. I just bought a crap ton and I'm holding it. I don't have anything on the exchanges. Everything's cold. Look at Vertcoin. Yes. I think that we just probably saw the dip. If this candlestick ends in the greens, it looks like we're going to be continuing upward movement. But this could be the dip right here. Next candlestick can be green. I wouldn't doubt it. Wouldn't doubt it. Wouldn't doubt it. Wouldn't doubt it. Market's coming back. I've been saying this for how long? You guys saw my forecast? I'm so bullish right now. But I think that the lowest, if we were going to head down for the primary coins or just the market in general, I think Bitcoin could head down to 37.50 lowest. And I think that Litecoin would head down on the 1 day down to 48 and bounce and be above $50 ending, following that trend line still. I think the 50 is the lowest, I think. We have a lot of support at 50. But yes, there is a potential dip down to 48. But I think it'll be quick. Yeah, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, guys. Watch my last live stream, it's really good. Good explanation. But yeah, guys, I'm hanging out, having a good day. Got my sleep. Everything's good. Everything's good. I trust both. I think hardware wallets, cold storage wallets, like hardware wallets and paper wallets are good. Those are the best. I actually am still in the process of setting up my second Ledger. It's sitting right over here. I haven't even set it up yet. But those, I mean, I really like the Ledger Nano S. It's very simple. It's small. But yeah, I mean, I really am not bearish. I'm bullish. I'm sitting on my hands. That's the only way I can put it. You know, I think the China FUD has already come and gone. I think that it's not going to affect the markets anymore. And, you know, I'm using risk management. I'm happy with having my coins in cold storage right now. I'm not even, like, prepared to sell right now because I believe in what I'm doing right now, and I think that we could dip down a little bit. Litecoin could go down to 48, like I said, on the 1 day, and then pop right back up. Bitcoin 37.50 and pop right back up. But I think that we are very much nearing the end of this bear run or bear market, and that's just me. You know, I have my Vertcoin that's doing fantastic. I have my Decred that's doing fantastic. Look at that, Vertcoin's already heading back up. This candlestick's probably going to end in the green. That would be awesome to see a $3 Vertcoin. And however many of my followers bought Vertcoin at 40 cents when I first talked about it, you guys are riding the same wave as me. Or if you bought it at 70 cents when I bought my second load, you guys are riding the same wave with me. It's an exciting adventure. But yeah. So and then yeah. So yeah, Decred's going parabolic. It's going. It is just gonna keep going up. All I see are bulls. I'm really tempted to get more. So they're already heading up. That was the dip. Um, very bullish. So everything's good. Elam, you bought in at 33 cents. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. I love it. I love it. Vertcoin's gonna be like probably a Litecoin in a few years, and you guys are buying it under $1. Well, now it's $1. Too bad, so sad. But I mean, just think of that opportunity. You cannot give that up. I had to just put a lot into that. That's it. It's a primary part of my portfolio. I have my primary coins are Litecoin, Vertcoin, and Decred now. Originally Litecoin and Vertcoin and Bitcoin, but I have more of these other coins than I do of Bitcoin. Yeah, it could be within a year that Vertcoin pumps up to double digits. I think by the end of this year we could see a $10 Vertcoin. I wouldn't doubt it, but I think that's far stretched. I mean, we have to be a little more realistic and watch it closer. But Vertcoin by the end of the month, $3. I don't doubt it. I don't doubt it. I'm not doubting it. I'm bullish. I'm excited. Now Decred really could. Well, here was a dip down and pump up, but it was a weak one, so it could dip down to this trend line. I'd buy it on a dip. Yeah, I'd buy it on a dip. Depends. You have to watch it closely. If you see within like the next 6 hours, if it doesn't dip and it consolidates, then we would have to create a new trend line. But I think that it's gonna dip. Yeah. Hope you guys are doing fantastic, man. I'm just so happy right now. I mean, we could look at Bitfinex. Bitfinex has had a large volume for Bitcoin and Litecoin. Large volume. Where's Bitfinex? Bittrick said, yeah, Bitfinex. Yeah, so Bitfinex, I believe, is the largest volume exchange right now. But I'm kind of confused why the US dollar... No, never mind. That doesn't make sense. Because I think Bitfinex is closing their doors to US customers. I don't use Bitfinex. I only use Bittrex and GDAX. Those are my 3. Or 2. 6 hours says downward movement, but I just think it's going to be minimal. 12 hour tells me that we're going up. 12 hour tells me we're going up. And I've been watching this since the 1 hour. The wave is starting. The bear trap. Yeah. Gotta watch it closely. If I can still see here, I can see a little bit of a dip, and then further upward movement. That's what I think. Litecoin is $50.75. Let's watch it closely. We can actually stay on a live stream. Probably. Let's go to Litecoin. Man, Vertcoin and Decred. Get yourself some of them. Always diversify, guys. Always diversify. You don't just hold one coin. I would never hold just one coin. LTC USD. Yeah, so GDAX is trading at almost $51 right now. Now we're gonna look at this. Oh, I don't want all this crap here. Hold on 1 second, guys. Look at this. Still think we could find a bottom at 50. Could be it could bottom out at 48, but I think it'll hit 48 probably on the 1 hour, but I think the 1 day will be ending above 50 or at $50. So you can see right here at this level, this is where I think that it could hit. It could hit down here. Once it hits here, I think the 1 day is going to move above at the $50 mark. That's not the $50 mark. So once we hit 48, finish above 50, we can check on the 1 day right now. We go to the LTC copy. Look at that, it's at $51. Look at that. I'm not buying in, like, you guys know. Sorry for repeating myself. I'm not afraid. I'm not emotional. You know, I'm sitting on my hands. Because I'm not gonna buy into this. I'm not gonna buy the crap of this bear trap. I'm gonna buy the dips. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm buying dips. I can tell you that much. Bottom out here. Look at that. $47. This is my forecast. This is my forecast. Right here. I'm gonna make this green. So it could bottom out at 47. I apologize. If I'm looking at my forecast right here, support's at 47. So we could hit $47. And I would just be buying that dip. It's not gonna break that trend line in my book. You know what I'm saying? So Jamie Dimon thinks it's going up. Yeah, I think that we could bottom out at 47. Could be a nice swing down to 47 if you sold the top. Some people did. But I'm just holding and accumulating, so I'm just hodling and accumulating, guys. No worries here. No emotion. You trade emotions, you lose money. So I'm buying dips. Well, we could dip down to 47. Could go down to 47. But then we would be able to draw another... No, we would keep the same trend line. But I'm following this too, pretty precisely. Even though we're falling in and out of it, I think it's going to be like stair-step ladder growth. People really, I mean, this is all I have to say. This is all I have to say. If you are selling right now, your primary holdings, not your swing holdings, your primary holdings, if you're selling them because you think we are going to the floor or you think we're going down, you are selling the bottom. That's what you're doing. If you're someone that is a long-term hodler and you're thinking that it's going to go down to $30 or $25, I think that you are highly mistaken. I think that we are very much finding the bottom. And I think I would not even dare sell my primary holdings. Maybe a swing if you know what you're doing. But yeah, I think that I would not sell the bottom. That is very much where I believe we are. It's good to increase your holdings of your primaries, but I don't trade primaries. My primary holdings. Is Vertcoin going up? Let's go check it out. Look at Vertcoin. Yeah, we said it. I didn't even think it was gonna dip. I thought that was the dip. Once this candlestick turns green, that was the dip all the way down to here. Look at Vertcoin go, guys. Fantastic. Make me some money. Keep buying it. Keep buying it, whales. Right? Swiggity swirty. Coming for that birdie. I like it. Did you guys see the tweet from you guys saw the tweet from This is buy time. Bitcoin Jedi knows what's up. I want to know, anyone that's tuning in, like if there's new people to my channel or people that have been following my channel from the beginning, I want to know how long you guys have been trading cryptocurrency for. And I want you to be honest, because it's not a bad thing if you're new. If you're new to it, there's a lot to learn, and that's what I'm here to help you out. But I want to know who here has been in it for at least, not even at least a certain amount of time, just in general. Because a lot of my followers, especially the moderators, know that, it's not time to sell the bottom. You're out of your mind. This is a normal, healthy correction when we see this growth. Got 4 months, a lot of 4 months, 6 months, 3 days, 3 years, 2 years, 1 month, 1 hour. No, I'm just playing. I didn't see that. No, 1 hour. 20 minutes. 1 month, 6 days. 2 months. First bought the big dip in 2013 and sold off until last May. Good stuff. 6 months, I'm new 1 month. We're going to the moon, guys. Sit back and relax. I'm relaxing. You guys can hear my music. I play relaxing music. I just like playing relaxing music, but I play relaxing music when I'm just like sitting on my hands. I'm not stressed out. I'm not worried. I'm hanging out. Yeah, a lot of people are investors. I'm more so an investor than a swing trader. I just hodl coins that have just tons of potential. Like I buy them before they hype up, when I know that they have the tech and development, the great developer team. They've got something that no other coin has, i.e. Vertcoin, Decred, and Litecoin. Those three are my top primaries for big gains in the future. I'm going to make a video too. Top 3 holds. Top 3 long-term holds. There's only 3. I only have 3. Because I think Bitcoin's going to keep running into issues. Now, do I have Bitcoin for the long term? I do. But I'm not nearly as confident as I am with these 3 other coins when it comes to big gains. Because I think that Bitcoin's going to run into a lot of issues still, and it's going to have a lot of volatility. And it's not a bad thing. I still think it's the granddaddy coin. Big future. But we're in the very early times in cryptocurrencies. Very early. So early that I'm so happy that we have 133 people watching right now. Because that just tells me, and you guys see how fast my channel is growing. More and more people are turning over to cryptocurrencies. They're learning about it. They're finding out more and more, and they're seeing it go up and down, and then it goes up even further, and then they're like, why was I hesitant to buying in when it was at a low price? People are opening up to trading it and buying it. The fiat dollar is not healthy. You got the housing market that's on the verge of collapsing. We're in an unstable economy. And this is very much, I think, personally, larger than the dot-com era. I really do. This is a currency, guys. This is not a .com era. This is not, you know, it's a much bigger source than just the .com era, which is humongous. How's yesterday's prediction working out for me? It's actually still fine. I mean, I called it 48 hours. I think that we saw upward movement. We can actually look at it right now. Let's go over here. Let's go to the 4-hour. Long live fiat. So let's see, hold on. So it looks like we are going to hit 48, but that's, you guys, that's not a big deal to me. That's not a big deal to me. In my forecast yesterday, I told you guys that we could bounce off of $50. It's really looking like it could be anywhere from $48 to $50. I'm fine by that. I'm just gonna keep throwing dry powder at it. I'm not, a $2 difference beats me, because I'm just gonna throw dry powder at it all day long. I'm buying these dips. That is what I'm doing. Some people want to swing, cool, but these dips. If we hit 48, I'm buying that as a long-term throw into my long-term bag, my primary bag. I won't even have it in my swing bag. You know what I mean? I'm buying this dip at 48. I promise you that. And I'll use risk management to have my stop loss order in case some more FUD comes out. But I'm not worried about that. I don't think that's how it's gonna pan out, guys. This is my forecast from how long ago? Like a week ago or something like that. Bounced up on the 1 day. Yeah, it looks like it fell through, but this is a 4-hour chart. 1 day bounced up, still following the trend line precisely. I'm not worried. And it's so funny. Not a lot of people, but there's like people on my last live stream when I was doing that forecast with you guys. Not chatting, but after it was posted, they were commenting like, just like a bunch of speculation, not even speculation, just like baseless, crap talk. And I was just like, really? Like, you have no clue what you're talking about. But it's okay. Because I know my followers, like, they know what I'm doing. It's good. Vertcoin keeps going up. Doesn't look like it wants to stop. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. That's so crazy. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Did you guys see that Reddit post? You guys saw that Reddit post from Vertcoin on our cryptocurrency? One of the developers literally said, "Buy the rumor, sell the news." No, he didn't say that. I'll show you guys the tweet. Let's go. Let's go over this tweet. Remember when I told you guys to like and retweet the Tor wallet? That's the rumor. That is the rumor, and you would be selling the news. And I don't think they have come out with the news. We need to go check it out. Let's see if they've posted anything. It's really hard using 3 monitors because it slows down my computer when I do live streams. Everything is good right now. Right here. Oh my gosh. Did I say that? Didn't I tweet about that? I said that Vertcoin will be doing atomic swap testing next. I tweeted about that. Decred. Atomic swapping with Decred the other day. I said Vertcoin's going to be next. Number 1, it's on the roadmap. Not even Decred is on there. And now Vertcoin is going to be tested through atomic swapping. I'm telling you right now. I've been told this by someone. Lightning Network is very close. Very, very close. Atomic swaps, not as close. but still within 2 months, I believe. Within 2 months, I believe, for atomic swaps. But without a doubt, I think within 2 months, or even sooner than that, Lightning Network will be implemented to the chain. Implemented, not implemented to the chain, but implemented to Litecoin's network. Okay, guys? You heard it from me first. This is awesome, guys. Look at that, hashtag 2 Vertcoin Tor wallet, perfect for anonymous sending transactions, whether you're in Chinatown, San Francisco, or Beijing. Retweet, like, retweet, like, retweet, like. You guys need to do this with me. Retweet and like all of this. Looking forward to doing an on-chain atomic swap with Satoshi Light. Oh, this is so great. Oh, I love making money. What's up, guys? You guys need to like and retweet all of this. I can't stop. I have to like and retweet. Vertcoin to the moon. Just gonna sit back and relax. You guys know that's what it's all about. Just making that money. Litecoin didn't hit $60 yet, but your bag of Vertcoin is going to the moon right now. That bag of Vertcoin that you bought with me when we first started talking about it. That bag of Vertcoin that has SegWit, stealth addresses, ASIC resistant mining, LYR2 algorithm. No big deal. How's everybody? Buy the dips. Buy the dips. I want to know where everyone's from tuning in right now. See if we have any new faces. Post your country or your state, or city and state, in the chat box. We've got Netherlands, North Carolina, Scotland, Northwest USA. Someone's from the moon. We've gotta have a few people from the moon, right? Sweden, Ohio, Pennsylvania. It's going too fast. From the UK, Texas, California, Alaska, Pennsylvania, Oklahoma, South Carolina, Iowa, Philadelphia, Texas, Holland, Nebraska, New York City, San Diego, London, Iowa, South CA, what's up, guys? Disney World. We've got someone from Disney World. That is what I'm talking about. You guys know. This is a little secret. I'll tell you guys a secret. I did a marketing internship with Disney World. Did I stay? No. That's a little secret. Yes, I do. I do work in real estate. Alaska, Netherlands. I think we have every every state and a lot of Europe in here. I think we have the whole United States in this, like 50 states. I think I saw Antarctica too. I saw an Antarctica. So what's going on? What's going on? I really need to set up my Ledger Nano S. Camster Clips, are you, you said that you're from North Korea? I'm watching GDAX right now, right? Somnath just asked me if I'm hitting a bong. I don't know what a bong is. What's a bong? Busy retweeting and liking. You guys better retweet and like all of that Vertcoin stuff, those Vertcoin tweets. Y'all gotta be on the same page with me, because we're in this together. Yeah, just watch Litecoin. See, I'm not worried. I'm hanging out. It's Kim. David just said it's Kim. Oh my gosh. That is the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. David Bullish just said that Camster Clips is Kim Jong-un. But that got me. I haven't even looked at it. I haven't even looked at Vertcoin right now. Could be pulling back. Let's check it out. This is a 30-minute candlestick. It looks like it could be pulling back. Check out Litecoin on Bitfinex. Camster Clips prefers the term Supreme Leader. RSI indicator for Bitcoin on the 12-hour just looks bullish to me. Looks like we're possibly going to see a cross. Bitfinex has had a lot of volume. I think the most. I believe the most. What's up, guys? Kim seems to be well educated about crypto. Kim is educated. I'm looking at what he's saying right now. He's thinking about setting up a Vertcoin farm in North Korea, but we have a problem. Vertcoin is ASIC resistant. That's so true. Too bad. I mean, I think that you could do GPU. Like, you could just set up a bunch of GPUs and mine the crap out of Vertcoin. That's what I'm thinking. So it's like, this is something I've thought about, and maybe it's just because I'm ignorant, because I don't really know a lot about mining. I'm still waiting for my D3 to come in the mail that I probably paid top dollar for because mining rigs are going to be really cheap in the future, most likely. But yeah, like I don't really know a lot about mining, so I don't know if you can do that with Vertcoin. Is you can just buy a bunch of GPU cards since you can mine on GPU, and basically make a GPU farm instead of ASIC chips, ASIC miners. If that makes sense. Does that make sense? Hold on, I'm taking notes. GPUs, any recommendations? Cancel the missiles. Yes, I'm pretty sure the NVIDIA cards that you can buy, GPU cards, I think those are the most efficient and best ones you can use, but they're also relatively expensive compared to an AMD chip, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know if it's an AMD chip, there's another chip that's cheaper. Yeah, I asked that question because I was gonna go buy an NVIDIA, not an NVIDIA, but I was gonna go buy a GPU card for Vertcoin so that I can mine it. And basically, hold on one second, guys. Basically, I asked what would be the best miner to get or whatever GPU card, and they said the NVIDIA on the Vertcoin Slack. So. See, I'm learning about mining. I'm not just I'm not a miner, so I don't really know much about that. AMD is not fully supported for mining. It's kind of is, but not optimized. Yeah, I agree with you. I think that's true. But I think the NVIDIA is good. Well, see, the thing is, a lot of video gamers are like really getting mad and upset because they're becoming so expensive because of the demand. So a lot of video gamers like they use GPU cards, they use video cards, and all the cryptocurrency miners and whatever, the community is buying up all these cards, these GPU cards, and it's like GPU cards are like the next big thing. It's like gold. It's like you mine the gold with like just like mining gold. I don't think I'm making any sense. Hopefully I did. But yeah, like if a coin's gonna be worth a lot of money in the future, and it's worth it to mine it and use the electricity. Oh man, I need to turn that off. Yeah, so if you can mine a coin that it's worth it when it comes to electricity, which Vertcoin I think would be so worth it it's not even funny. So I'm like thinking about buying an NVIDIA card tomorrow. Seriously. Because they're gonna all disappear, just like what happened to the other cards. Because NVIDIAs are still available. If you guys buy up all the NVIDIAs on Amazon, I'm really gonna get mad. Because I need it. I need to buy one. But mining Vertcoin is under $1. I think it could easily be as worth as much as Litecoin. I just don't doubt that. Same with Decred or Decred. I would mine those coins all day long, and I can't believe I'm not doing it. I need to get on my game. I need to buy every last NVIDIA chip out there. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, Antminer. I bought the Antminer D3. Let's see what you guys are up to. The RX 470 is a very popular mining card. Yeah, the RX 470 is very scarce. I tried to buy the RX, multiple different number RXs that are like 4 GB or more, and they're all sold out. So I couldn't get an RX, and then they had a bunch of NVIDIAs, but I was like, well, NVIDIA's don't even work that well, and I'd rather just buy like an ASIC chip miner. So I bought the Antminer D3 to test out and see what it's like, and then if I like it, I'll buy more. Um, but I'm very new to it, so I don't know much about it. But if I could get the best miners and mine it, I would really do that. Like, I'm really thinking about going out and get NVIDIA's because they're still kind of available. This is not financial advice. Look at Litecoin. It's up to $51. We'll see what happens. Let's see what happens. What time is it? It's only been 52 minutes. Feels like time's going by really slow. Time's going by so slow. No, I'm just playing. Invest in NVIDIA. They have no clue we would even be part of their profits. I'm sure they know. I'm sure, all of a sudden, all of these RX mining chips are sold out and they're being bought out like crazy. I think they're going to find, like, eventually know that it's used for mining. And then if you go on Amazon or whatever, you look at the questions asked, you look at the reviews, you can see people talking about mining cryptocurrencies with it. So that's where the demand's coming from. But I think the thing is, this is what I think. This is another hypothesis. This is what I think could happen. The governments come in and make mining illegal or something like that, because they would want to, if the U.S. was going to invest in it, or big institutional investors are going to invest in it, of course they would want to be mining it while they invest in it, because it would be profitable. You know what I'm saying? So I think mining cards are just still going to be really rare to get your hands on. And I'm not even talking just about ASIC chips. I'm talking about NVIDIA. I'm talking about, like, every video card is going to be hard to get. If I feel like they're going to put restrictions or something like that, even though it's like, how are they going to catch me if I'm mining, cryptocurrencies? Something I think is going to happen. Not the illegality of cryptocurrencies, but the mining factor. I think the pigs are going to jump into that field and really mess with it. Make difficulty ratings go through the roof. I don't know. And you can do the one-click miner for Vertcoin as well. What did I pay for the miner? It was $1,750. That's how much the miner was, and then I had to get some attachment, like electronic attachment, scientific something. I can't think of what it is right now. It's like a power conductor for the miner, and then you have to buy a plug for the miner. Well, it was how much the miner? It was the Antminer D3. I bought it with Litecoin, but then I bought more Litecoin right after that because I was like, I just can't have less holdings. But I bought it with Litecoin. I felt guilty, so I bought like the Litecoin back. It's like I can't have less Litecoin. I just can't. Unless I'm increasing my supply. The power supply. Yeah, but it's like the power supply. I don't know what it's called. I can look it up right now. I can't really think of it. Here, I'll tell you guys. It works on the D3. I'm sure you guys know what it is if you go to the Bitmain website. Also, I have my link in the description if you guys are thinking about getting a Ledger Nano S. There's a link in the description for a Ledger Nano S hard wallet. ASIC D3. I really wanted to get the L3 Plus too, but I missed out on the releases, so I was thinking about just getting one because I feel like the difficulty rating, and I don't want to wait longer. Let's see here. Bounce off of 47 possible. Vertcoin is getting resistance. I'm sure it's gonna have a pullback. Yeah, it is getting resistance. I'm sure it's gonna have a pullback. Look at that. Look at this, guys. I mean, look, I have to use this now. This is a lot of growth. I wouldn't be surprised for a pullback, but I would be buying the pullbacks personally. Because Atomic Swap's coming out eventually, like soon. Buy the rumor. It's $1. It's $1. Like, I almost want to say buying Vertcoin for the long term, buying it on a pullback, not buying it at the top like this. I think that's a very good buy. Very good buy. Same with Decred. And that's really my thoughts. Thank you, Rick, for using my link. I had a L3 Plus with PSU, sold it, made a huge profit. What do you mean by that, EJ? You sold your L3 Plus, you made a profit off of mining contracts? Did you make profit off of selling the actual L3 Plus? Oh, yeah, you probably did make, I mean, if you bought it and just sold it, like on Amazon or something like that, you can make profits because they're like in high demand. And like the highest demand ever are L3 Pluses and all of Bitmain's products. So, EJ, did you think that the Antminer D3 was a good buy since you sold your L3 Plus? Yeah, I think Japan's gonna come in heavy. Japan is like still fresh to cryptocurrencies. Japan is still fresh. They're not like anywhere near a China cryptocurrency market. So I think Japan, especially back in the day, I think there was the biggest Japanese exchange, Bitcoin exchange, went live with Litecoin on it not too long ago, about 2 months ago, and now I think there's going to be a lot of action, price action coming from Japan. Just imagine looking at altcoin market. Here, I'll show you guys. Just imagine looking at altcoin market and look at the top trading volume exchange. Now imagine that exchange being a Japan exchange. That's very much a possibility. Like, I'll pull it up right now. Let's see what the top trading exchanges are. I think Bitfinex is, but it's BitThumb. It was Bitfinex for a little while for Bitcoin, but now it's BitThumb, the Korean dollar, OKCoin, and GDAX. Pretty even, and Huobi, the Chinese exchange. So imagine OKCoin and Huobi being Japanese exchanges. Because China, I mean, they're closing their exchanges. That's a big deal. Big deal. But I don't think they're going to be out entirely. I think that they're going down for regulatory purposes. I don't think China's not going to ban it. They're just going to put regulation in so that the big guys can get, a lot of it. You know what I'm saying? I'll check out lists real quick. So we can go here too. Right here. OKCoin, which has been consistent trading volume, and Huobi. I was looking at BitThumb. I really like watching BitThumb on CryptoWatch. This is OKCoin. But I like watching BitThumb. Not necessarily Bitfinex, but BitThumb, OKCoin, and GDAX. But GDAX is just, it's a little rougher to watch than the other two, in my opinion. Yeah, we're seeing a dip right now. We're seeing a dip. Hopefully it could finish up in about a couple hours. China posted that earlier this afternoon. This is a big idea. What did China post? I think decentralized exchanges are going to blow up. Did you guys see the tweet about Decred having a big part in that? Yes, absolutely, guys. Everything China has banned has been right before it makes a huge world breakout. Then after the world takes hold, China returns. This happens every time. I agree. I agree on that. That's why it's like, no, no, no. You think I'm crazy? I'm gonna sell? Charlie just tweeted Vertcoin success. We need to go do it. We need to go like and retweet it right now. Oh man, this is so good. Every time that they tweet something, it's like, boom, green candlestick. And people say they don't trade news. I definitely, you have to factor both in. Factor both in. News, FUD, you have to factor it in. When the FUD is fresh, like when Charlie Lee announced the exchange's closure, you gotta trust Charlie Lee. And you should have sold right at that moment, to be quite honest. I mean, not even looking at TA. And look at what you could have bought it for, from like $74 down to like, what was it, 35. Man, and people were talking crap. It worked flawlessly. Thanks. Thanks, James Lovejoy. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Segregated witness. Segregated witness. On-chain cross-chain atomic swaps without Lightning Network, you keep custody until the swap happens. Then you get custody of other coin. See, Jimmy Song doesn't even know about this stuff. Want to attend. Our contacts say we haven't seen the worst yet. This is all unconfirmed. Maybe the worst for Bitcoin. I don't know. I don't think there's anything bad that's going to hit it too hard. I just don't see it. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. I'm not worried. What do you mean? I don't know yet, but this on-chain transaction per Charlie DCR to Litecoin was negotiated by chat. Yeah, I agree, Bitcoin Jedi. Process finger crashes again. I don't think so. So some people are rumoring that it's going to fall further, or the worst has yet to come, and some people think that we're entering into a bull market. So I'm following everything collectively. News outweighs the FUD. That's not a big. I don't think that's a big issue. I think the news outweighs the FUD. I'm looking at the tech and development. I'm looking at the charts. I'm looking at the historical patterns. Everything tells me that I'm on the right page, but we'll see. We already saw a pump today for Litecoin. We went up to what, $57? $57? $56? 57? But yeah. We'll see. It's not dipping hard. But yeah, guys, how long have I been on this? We're going here for an hour. I'm going to be tuning out in just a minute, guys. If you have any questions, throw them in the chat box. Am I Brazilian? No, I'm not Brazilian. Be careful for the copyrighted music. Yeah, I know. I get flagged all the time. I get flagged all the time. So I don't get all the advertisements you see are from YouTube or from the copywriters. I am Satoshi, but I'm not Satoshi Nakamoto. I'm Satoshi Jesus. Satoshi Jesus. Oh my gosh, that's annoying. Wait till the next big bull market, then I bet. Be careful. Crypto Hedge, how was your trip? And are you back in Miami? Yes, I am back home. I am back home. And the trip was good. It was just no, there was no Wi-Fi or cellular service. I was like in the woods. In the woods. The bing sound is from my phone. Alright, guys. I'm going to be tuning out now. Take care and catch me on Twitter. See you.